Gone are the days of fumbling about with thumb screws and plastic mounts. It's all about magnetic quick swap mounts these days, and Insta360 may have the best example yet with this, the new Insta360 Quick Release Mount System. The Insta360 Quick Release Mount System is just that, a way to quickly release and attach different cameras and accessories, and it's not just limited to Insta360 gear either. In fact, you can use any camera or accessory sporting a standard 1/4" 20 thread, which makes the possibilities pretty much endless. With a nice strong metal construction, meaning this will hold up just fine with action cameras and other accessories subject to harsher conditions, what we have here are two pieces that attach as one. A base plate and the actual mount itself. On the bottom of the mount we have a standard 1/4" 20 thread for attaching to selfie poles, tripods or other such accessories, as well as the fingerstyle mounts first introduced by GoPro and commonly used with most action camera mounting solutions. Hence the base plate can be mounted with a thumb screw, and then you'll not have to fumble about with thumb screws again. When the finger mounts are not in use, they magnetically retract and stick to the base to stay completely out of the way, a nice added touch. So with a device or accessory attached to the base plate, we're using a DJI Osmo Pocket 3 in this example, notice the markings within the bottom of the plate. So not only are the two parts held magnetically, rather strong magnets I may add, the hooks in the base line up and lock together, creating a nice tight seal with very little if any wiggle room at all. Note though that even though the magnets are nice and strong, it is advisable to check and ensure the hooks are fully engaged, just to be on the safe side. Although I did find they mostly lined up, it wasn't 100% every time. Releasing them is just as easy. Press the two side buttons to unlock the hooks inside and pull your device away. Simple. It's a really nice design that adds extra security for use in even the harshest environments. Talking of harsher conditions, with the plate connected, a small sliding lock can be used to ensure the two plates will not come apart. Even when pressing the side buttons, they're completely locked together. Great added security. Newer cameras in the Insta360 range, such as this Ace Pro action camera for instance, do not even need the base plate at all, since they're designed with the same mounting system in mind, so can snap directly to the base plate, making things even easier. And unlike the mount that comes in the package, which needs a little fiddling and checking to ensure a secure connection is established, when using the new quick release mount, the fit is securely locked into place every time, quick and easy. The mount is a nice low profile too, so great for use in tighter spaces, and better still, when used with something like the Insta360 X3 camera, it's small enough to ensure it's not visible in the 360 shot too. The beauty of this system comes when you have multiple units and are able to quickly switch your connected devices between mounts on the fly. They carry a solid construction, are very secure, and make moving your camera or accessories around super quick and easy. They're not the cheapest quick release mounts out there though, a little too expensive for what they are really, but with the high quality construction I'll certainly be using them with my devices in the future and can easily recommend them. A great, secure, slimline design that works exceptionally well.